welcome to my first video, probably also my last because I don't think I'll ever do this again, but today I'm going to show you how I do my makeup because it was highly requested in the comments. Just kidding, I don't have a YouTube channel. But yeah, we're gonna fix his face. Let's get started. I gotta use some lotion. I recommend this, it's real nice. Alright, let's start. So we're going to start with foundation. My favorite is this bad boy right here. I can't believe I'm doing this. Revlon Color Stay. It's good for like oilier skin, but it's also good for dry skin because I went on Accutane and my skin was dry as hell and it still did a good job. So there's that. As I use this little sponge from Real Techniques. It's terrible. I just bought a new one and my old one was much softer, but this one is not as soft. Anyway, but first I have to wet it, so let's do that. Alright, now that your sponge is nice, what I do, I take this foundation, I put it in my hand like this. 2 squirts will do it. I get the stuff on there. And then I just start right here and I like pat it on my face like that. Oh my god, this looks really weird. And make sure you go down your cheekbone onto your neck so that it blends it out so you don't have like just like one shade of color on your face and then like your neck is a different color because that's really awkward. So yeah, I just keep patting it in like that. I usually put chapstick on before I start doing my makeup so that if you get the foundation on your lips, like you can wipe it off really easily. And then I put it on my forehead. Yeah. And I usually wipe it off. Alright, now we do concealer. And I like to use LA Girl Pro Concealer. It's $4, so you get your bang for your buck. Squirt it out like that. I put it underneath my eye right there and kind of make myself look like a warrior. And then I put on my eyelids like that. And then if you have any little imperfections on your face, you cover those too. And then I use this bad boy again and I just pat. And I just bring it up on my cheekbone, kind of like I like blend it upwards so that like it gets lighter on your cheekbone. Because it kind of helps to contour your face a little bit. And then I just move it around my whole eyelid. Here's your finished look. Okay, so now you've done that. Now we gotta contour this. Okay, we're gonna start with this bad boy. Stay All Day Contouring Bronzer for Face and Body. I think my mom got it at like Marshall's or something. I don't usually use this. I usually use this, but spooky season and I'm getting pale, so I can't wear this anymore. It's just too dark. But this is good stuff and it's cheap. It's like from CVS or I don't know. So I just take what is hardly left of it and I use this brush, this contouring one from Eco Tools. And it's nice because it's like tapered and like, I don't know, it's nice with it. And then I get the product on there and I like walk up my face. I like hold it like that, create a line right there, and I just go back and forth like that. And then, and then I just leave it. Just like that. Just kidding. Okay, and then I get a little more product and I start to blend upwards really violently. Never blend downwards. Never. Don't do it, because then it looks like this isn't coming out like it should. You get it, like it goes in and then, I don't know. Okay, anyway, so you just keep going up like this and keep blending it upwards, never below, and kind of bring it down under your jawline. And then just kind of blend it into like your temple right here. That's a lot of work. Do the same thing for the other side. So get some more colors. And then I hold it like that. It'll look like you actually have some banging cheekbones. And keep going. Keep blending. Blend it into your temple like that. Just like that. Time for the forehead. So you get some on your brush, some more, and then I just start. I try to do like the outer part because it like makes your forehead look smaller. I have like a 4 forehead, like this applies to any forehead. So we're just gonna like start with the outermost part and kind of blend it in. So move from here to like in. So you're up here and then you're gonna blend it into your forehead so it looks a lot more seamless. And kind of go down, like down here, and just keep it on the outside. And do the other side the same way. Alright, so now I look less pale and ghostly. And then I take this bad boy. I'm going to use this again and put it like on the sides of my nose because like the outer part of me right now is toasted. Right here is not, so we have to add the same effect. So you're gonna go down this side. I'm just gonna go down just like that. And then to make sure I don't look like a freak, I like blend it out again with this same brush so that you can tell that like you can't. I take my blush, this is Buxom. This is like one of the only high-end products that I use every day. It's in the color Wanderlust. It says primer infused blush. It smells like sunscreen, so I like it. So I like use this same brush. Like this brush does it all. It's really nice. So I just pat some of that on there. And then I like to just put it right above where I did the contour on my cheekbone. So I start like right here and I kind of pat it and then I sweep it up. So I get it where I want it, but this like spreads super easily and then it gets just too much. So I'm going to pat it and then bring it back until So you look nice and rosy. I think that's enough. Looks good, okay. And I do the other side. Now I'm going to go under my eyes with this. The way my eyes are built, I have like a crease in my eye, like underneath. So like the concealer gets like creasy under there, wrinkly, I don't know what you want to call it. So I go back on with this after I did like all my face stuff, after it's creased, and then like smooth it back out and then put powder on it because then it like sets it. So I'm gonna go in, I'll smooth it out, and then on my eyelids it's creased a little bit too. Smooth that out. And then I take Naked Cosmetics powder. So just this translucent HG powder. Another good powder would be Airspun powder, also really good. Then I use this brush. He's short and he's fluffy. I just get some powder. I literally only put this on my eyes because the foundation keeps my skin from getting oily like all day. Right, especially where the concealer creases, because I'll just make sure it doesn't crease. Put like excess under that and under that, just so that like it pops more. I don't know. So we're almost done. Next we're gonna do the eyes and the eyebrows. So I like to use, I used to use Anastasia Brow pencil, but I have no money, so now I use L'Oreal Brow Stylist Designer in blonde because I don't have eyebrows. So I comb them upwards. I fill in like, I give myself more of an arch because I don't have one. And I just go around my eyebrow and I create a little more length to it too because I like literally don't have eyebrows. Just like that. And then when I'm done, I go all the way through. And then voila, I have an eyebrow. And then I do the other side. I just kind of comb it down and back up until it looks kind of decent. I think that looks right. Yeah, okay. Now we're looking good. So next I use this Naked Basics I've had it since like 6th grade, like 7th grade, I don't know. I've been doing this since middle school and this thing hasn't even hit the pan yet. Okay, so what I do is I take this little chisel brush and I just pat it in there, right above my lash line, just right above it with this. And it's not like a pure black, it's kind of like a charcoaly black brown. So it's not as intense. I feel like it looks more natural. So I just go over under, like right above my lashes. I wing it out. Oh my god, that looks so bad. What? I do the same thing to the other side. So then, for mascara, I use Voluminous Lash Paradise by, I don't even know, is it L'Oreal? I don't, and black is black. It's at the drugstore. Pretty cheap, it's like $8. No, I just do my mascara. And I only do the top because I used to do the bottom and the top, and I have really long eyelashes. Like, you can't see them because they're blonde right now, but they're blonde all the time. They're blonde all the time. When I do it on the bottom, it makes me look like a spider, kind of. So I stopped doing that. I just do it on top now. I'm just gonna do that. I kind of wiggle it back and forth. So then my lashes appear out of nowhere. And then I do the other side. There we go. And then we're almost done. I take my Pretty Ghetto Wet n Wild highlighting powder in Precious Petals. It's seen better days. It has tape on it. I'm gonna light it up. Oh, you see like the light hits it right here. So I'm gonna put this right and bring it up. So it's kind of like a little curve right there. Using the same brush that I used my under eye powder for. I literally use like 2 brushes. I kind of blend it into my blush a little bit and I just bring it up. Wow. Do the same thing for the other side. I just bring it up and blend it into my cheek, just like that. Put it on top of my lips. I put it on the tip of my nose. And then I put it down the bridge of my nose. So then your nose looks snatched. Put it below my brow bone too. We end it off with lipstick. This is my favorite one. It's from Wet n Wild and it's Bare It All. And it is disgusting. I don't know why. I'm really sorry about that. It looks really natural. And it's like my favorite. Like if I ever wear foundation, I always wear this. Oh wow, we're almost done. This is the finished look. It's how you get snatched by Rylie Hauser. Thank you for watching.
Like, comment, and subscribe.